Question? Come here. Who did that?
Medic.
Who did that?
Medic.
Maddox?
Put of my mind.
Hey. Who did that?
Also,
Who did that?
Monday.
Maddox did it?
Yeah.
Okay. Who did that?
Door.
Who did that?
Door.
Who did it?
Door.
Did you draw it?
Yeah.
You drew it? Okay.
No, she that.
Wait, come here. Who did this? Maddox, look. Who did that?
Mouse.
Who drew the mouth?
Yes.
Who did it?
Red.
Maddox drew the mouth?
Yeah.
Did Hunter do it?
Yeah.
Did Hunter do this?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm touching my door.
Who drew the mouth on the door?
Door.
Who did it?
I'm touching open door.
Did you draw on Daddy's door?
Yeah.
Did you draw on Daddy's floor?
Yeah.
Why?
I touched him on my door, Daddy.
Why did you draw on Daddy's door?
I touched him on my door, Daddy. You.
But it's my door, it's not your door. You don't draw on Daddy's door. Okay? No drawing on Daddy's door. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Only on paper.
Okay.
Did Hunter draw on the door?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you draw on the door?
No.
Who drew on the door?
It's ready.
Maddox did it?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you sorry?
Say money.
Are you sorry?
Yeah.
Don't do it again. Okay?
Okay.
Still love me?
Yeah.
Alright.
No. A boat.
You drew a boat?
Yeah, the boat there. Ha. Arr.
What's R?
Arr.
Is that a pirate on a boat?
Yeah, the boat.
Oh, okay. Who did that?
Medic.
Who did that?
Medic.
Maddox?
Put of my mind.
Hey. Who did that?
Also,
Who did that?
Monday.